Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Mampintsha's new song Ngeke got crowned Song of the Year, you guys, in the KZN and those parts. After he released the song, he unfortunately died. His song won Song of the Year there at Ukozi FM, and his wife, Babes Wodumo, was there to honor her husband by giving that electric performance, performing Mampintsha's song, which crossed over 2023, you guys. And that was what we call a beautiful performance. Congratulations to the late Mampintsha and Babes Wodumo for this beautiful win. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe, comment, like, and share, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.